will make a video for that. Hello freshers, my name is Anangsha and this is Varmaji. Welcome to IITG 101, where we talk about life in campus. This is the third episode where we will discuss the registration. During your first few weeks in the institute, it's natural to feel a little confused figuring out everything that's going on around you. But don't worry, we are here to guide you through the entire process. The first big event at IIT Guwahati that will officially earn you the coveted tag of an IITian is the registration. This year, for UG students, it's on the 21st of July and for PG students, it's on 19th. On that day, you'll see help desk all around that will help you to wherever you want to go. In case you don't see one, you can ask just about anybody. I'm sure they would help you out. On a wider picture, let's take you through a step-by-step guide of the entire process. Your first stop that day at 8 a.m. would be the Computers and Communication Center, which is right beside the library. Do carry a digital copy of your photograph and signature. That being said, it's handy if you carry a pen drive around. Your next stop would be your designated registration center, where you have to submit 3 documents. Those are the anti-ragging affidavit, the Code of Conduct pledge, and the undertaking for hostel residents. Once your documents are submitted, you'll be handed a slip which you have to retain for the next process. Once this is done, you have to arrange 2 sets of copies of documents in the order that we have provided in the description below. You have to wait in the registration center where the staff will call out your name in batches of 3. If you miss your turn, it's alright because your name will be called out again at the end. Once your documents are verified, the registration staff will guide you to the fee counter. Here, you have to settle your fees according to the guidelines. You will be handed 2 copies of the fee receipt, one of which you have to submit to the registration staff. Once this is done, head over to the conference center, which is right beside the auditorium, for your photo session. After this is done, the registration process will be complete for the UG students. For the master's students, there is a final step where you have to head over to your respective department or center to complete the online course registration process. After this, the registration process will be complete and you will be officially considered a student of IIT Guwahati. During the entire process of registration, if you face any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to the staff of Student Affairs. And if you have any queries, please do comment below. That's all for this video.